So the land has finally given way and it's getting worse. That hill, this is by 7 miles going towards 8 miles in Bull Bay. And trust me, the hill has given way. And this is now the road and everything is going into the sea. So this is the water coming from Shooter's Hill. And this is not a river in dry times, but this is what it is in rain. So there's a JUTC bus coming now just to give you a judgment of where the water is at. Look at the front of the bus. Alright, so people, this is out by 7 miles at Harbour View. There is currently a traffic standstill. Given the amount of water that is on the road, the traffic has backed up. Go right back. I am over by St. Benedict's. I'm trying to show you behind. So that is where the traffic is going. So there's a 3-lane traffic going one way.
Pulling umbrella and park. Out time, out time.
I don't know where you have to do your road for. You let the road empty. How you want to come past the road?
Watch out. Yeah. No more than I know the whole stuff now.
Now somebody want to work out.
This here, the park is just down the road there, Negril bus park. Everywhere underwater. Nobody can pass here, so right now. Oh gosh. Nobody can pass here. I would come for you, Bliney, but I'm afraid me sink. Me can't come out there. Look on Negril's flood. Oh my God. The rain. Look at that. Oh gosh, Negril underwater. Negril underwater, people. This rain was so terrible. Yes, Blanny, come this way.
Thank you for watching Yardies Abroad. Please like, share, and subscribe.